So, all right, guys, let's get started. Now, the first thing you want to do if you want to send someone a red packet, if you want to send someone a red packet. Now, the reason why we always use red packet sometimes is the fact that if you're to avoid your account being restricted from Alipay, or if your account is restricted from Alipay, is a quick method that you can easily use to send. In some cases, they will allow you to send via red packet, right? So now what are the procedure? Now for you to send, the first thing is to add the person as your friend. Now let me just make a sample with this. Let me click on my message here, then let me click on Konya here, right? So the first thing is to send a friend request. You can see here with this indicator that me and this lady, we are friends already with this, right? So you need to send a friend request. In some cases you don't even need to send friend request, right? But to make it official, you need to send friend request, right? So once you send the friend request, the person will accept it. I think I have a video about this. I'm going to be leaving it under the comment section and under the description button of this tutorial. So once you guys are friends, now you will now come to this session here, where we have after the person must have accepted your friend request, right? So you want to come to red packet here. So you want to click on send. If you want to send, you click send. You click on this red packet here, and it will take you to this next page. All right, so this next page, you will click on this guy here, right? I'm going to be doing this as a tutorial purpose now, but let me just show you how to accept a red packet. Let's start the tutorial from there, right? So now the first thing you want to do to accept a red packet is to come here. You can see here that this lady has already sent me this red packet here, so and I need to accept it, right? So you want to click on this guy. Once you click on it, it will load out this page, something like this, right? So you want to click on this guy to accept this red packet. This red packet simply means something like gift, as if you are sending RMB as a gift, right? Now I've already opened it and it's taking me to the next page where I'm claiming this 300 RMB. So you can see right here that I've already claimed what? I've already claimed this RMB. So this RMB has been deposited to my balance. So if I'm to click on it now, I will see it directly on my balance, right? So this is how to claim it. Now I've already clicked on it. You can see it right here that this amount was deposited. That is why I have to empty my account, so I'll be able to use this tutorial for you to understand this tutorial. You can see it right here that we have plus 300 here, and we also have the red packet logo here, right? So now let's move to how you can also send. I'm going to be using another, let me just say, let me look for someone to send this RMB to. This is tutorial. I'm just risking this transaction. So please, this is the more reason you need to subscribe. So after you must have claimed this red packet, then you are really good to go. So let's look for someone to send this 300 RMB to via red packets. Now I've already teach you how you can receive it. Now how do you send, right? So you want to, let's make use of this lady here. I'm going to be making use of this lady here, right? So I want to click on it. Now I want to send via red packets as well. We know, you already know that we've already received it. Now I'm sending 300 RMB to this lady via red packet. So the first process to send is to come to this guy here, where we have this red packet guy here. So you click on it. After you must have clicked on it, it will take you to another surface where you want to input the RMB. Make sure you are sending to the right person, because they are going to be showing you here that this is the person you are sending to. And the next thing is to confirm the amount you are sending. This is where you are going to input the amount that you are sending. So I'm going to be sending this 300 RMB to this lady via red packet. I'll click on OK. Then after I must have done this, the next thing that I'm going to do next is to do what? Send red packet here. right? So I'm going to click on send red packet here, and once I click on it, automatically it's going to do what? Ask for my payment password. So once I click on confirm now, I will input my payment password, and before I know it, the payment will be successful. But for security reason, it might also tell me that it might, where I'm inputting my payment password, it might blank it, but I'm still going to be making use of it. So let me just click on confirm. So this is where I want to input it. So I'm just going to input my payment password, and automatically you can see that I've already sent it to this guy. Let me just cancel this guy. So you can see here that what I've already sent as red packet. This is it. I've already sent it. Just the way we receive and the way we just claim it, that is how the lady is going to be claiming it, right? So if you've already gained value from watching this tutorial, make sure you subscribe and like this video. Also share it to whomsoever you think this video will be helpful to. Thank you guys for watching this video to the very end. I will see you in my next tutorial.